Like,
Nag-play na ganito.
Anza.
I killed her.
Go.
Good morning, I am Beverly May Secretaria, and the declamation piece, the title of the declamation piece that I will be presenting is Bad Girl. Hey! Everybody seems to be staring at me. You, all of you. How dare you stare at me? Why? Is it because I'm a bad girl? A bad girl I am? A good-for-nothing teenager? A problem child? That's what you call me. I smoke, I drink, I gamble at my young, tender age. I lie, I cheat, and I could even kill if I had to. Yes, I'm a bad girl. But where are my parents? You are my good parents, my good elder brother and sister in the society where I live. Look at me. What have you done to me? You have conquered and spoiled me, neglected me when I needed you most, entrusted me to a yaya whose intelligence was much lower than mine. Will you go about your parties, your meetings, and counting sessions? Thus, I drifted away from you, longing for a father's love, yearning for a mother's care. As I grew up, everything changed. You too have changed. You spend more time on your pokers, bars, and nightclubs. You even landed on the headlines of the newspaper as crooks, peddlers, and racketeers. And now, you call me names, accuse me of everything I do to myself. Now tell me, how good are you? If you really wish to ensure my future, then hurry back home where I await you, because I need you. Protect me from all evil influences that will threaten at my very own understanding. But if I am bad, really bad,